Hi, I'm Tony Durant, Account Manager for Panther Industries. This video demonstrates our innovative shipping and pack slip solution utilizing the Tabletop NEXTStep labeling automation system. Our Tabletop NEXTStep is a great solution for smaller volume operations whose e-commerce and fulfillment processes are growing but looking to automate their manual pack-out stations. The NEXTStep system streamlines processes related to an employee needing to print, fold, and attach a pack slip or invoice to an outbound item. Compact and viable for tight workspaces, this semi-automatic process prints a single label containing both the pack slip and shipping information on it. The label is automatically folded by the NEXTStep applicator, ready for removal by the operator. The operator simply removes the label from the applicator and places it on the outbound item. Once applied, the customer simply peels the perforated strip to remove the shipping label and reveal the pack slip, invoice, or even promotional messaging beneath it. Built for speed and reliability, Panther's Tabletop NEXTStep shipping and pack slip solution will increase your throughput, reduce your expenses, and decrease waste or loss due to outdated manual processes in your business.